Well, hello Nobbies. It's a beautiful day in Pattaya. I'm on South Road, gonna hunt around, see what bargains we can find. Stick with me. Having a little walk around off of Pattaya South Road, coming to a little area. I went to one place, but there's nobody on the desk. I've actually been to two places so far. It's hard to get in to have a look at the rooms, but let's see what we can find. I don't give up. I found one, it's like 400 something a month, but there's no one there to let me in. But I'll recheck it. Anyway, this is just off of Pattaya South Road, little quiet street. It's nice. Couple of little bars down here and nightclubs, or not nightclubs, but clubs. But I love these back streets anyway, you know. Private land. You can find some nice little stuff in these back alleys. The only thing you got to be careful is with the dogs, because they're very protective and they smell a foreigner. They come at you, so just be careful. I've been chased by a couple of them and I can't run that fast. But it's a lovely sunny day here in Pattaya. I love it. It's funny, I just wanted to hit on a subject. I mean, I've been chilling out. It's been raining and stuff lately, this last few days. But a lot of people doing videos on depression and shit. Dude, you're in Thailand, grow up. Sort it out. You know? I think a lot of them, they retire too young. And that can be a big mistake, because you retire at 50, you still got another 10, 15 good years of work in you, dude. But, you know, if you can afford it, that's fine. But can you afford it mentally? A lot of people can't. Especially at 50. 65, I don't give a damn. Near the end of my time. But 50, I wouldn't retire at 50 unless I was a multi-millionaire. But I think you still get bored. Just something to keep in mind, guys. Get all your fruits and everything. That's just my 2p worth. Tuppenny worth, as we used to say in the old days. I don't know where I'm heading up to, but it's interesting. Alright, so this is one in the lower end budget. Get a wardrobe. Different bed, change bedding. And have balcony or nothing? It's a ceiling fan, no aircon. Just a basic room, bathroom, wet shower, toilet, sink. A little bit rough, guys. Not in my liking, but it's okay. So we're looking at the second option. This one with aircon. Currently, just off a little side street. Thank you. A bigger room. Okay, so double bed, wardrobe, fridge, room. It's pretty rough, guys. Got an outside balcony, narrow balcony. Yeah, Aircon, fridge, no TV, bathroom. Yeah, 4,600 a month. '99 mansion.
Welcome to Thailand.
Hello, Thailand.
Welcome to Pattaya. Welcome to Food Spa, the best in the world.
I'm back off of South Pattaya Road. At the back end now, behind the Tukkom Center. A little market there, day market. Gonna walk down this street. It's very difficult to find these guest houses when you're walking around because a lot of the people are not there when you want to look at them. But I think looking at booking.com and places, I think most of it is going to be for the lower end. You're going to be cheaper in Jomtien. Pattaya is going to be more expensive. Cheapest, I think you're looking at about 700 Thai baht a night. That one there was 4,600 a month, but I would rather pay the 650 or 600 at that other one in Jomtien. Because you can get a Baht bus into town for 10 baht, so it's a no-brainer for me. But yeah, just looking at the little streets here, having a walk around. Hello, how are you?
How are you?
Good, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Nice Muslim restaurant. Hello. Hello. Oh, hello. That sun is beating down now, guys. Yeah, chicken. Put your eyebrows. Get your sewing done here. Nice. Good. Professional. Yeah, I just thought I'd show you around. I'm disappointed so far in the ones I've found. But I just want to show you how difficult it can be sometimes to find somewhere. If you're just walking around looking, it can be a chore. You really need a base. Phra Pattaya. Been here since 1982. Off of Walking Street. Walking Street is here. This takes you up to Second Road, just before Second Road. Great food. Great food. Just a quick grab. I've eaten this restaurant many times. It's right next to Walking Street. I love the food here. The pork, everything. I'm just getting a bit of fried rice today. Bit of pork fried rice. And a Coke. Nice bits of pork. Cheers. Fighting a couple of flies. Yeah, it's very hard. I'm finding it hard to get into the guest houses today. I've walked a long way today. The cheap ones, guys, not in Pattaya. I would not recommend them at all. I'm going to look on booking.com and see if I can arrange to get in a couple, but Pattaya, I think you're looking at about 700 a night, 750 for a reasonable one. But the cheap ones, I would not stay in them, dude. I wouldn't. I spoke to one lady who runs a nail shop opposite, and she lives in there. It's mainly Thai people, but she said there's a lot of crime, a lot of noise. So, yeah, I would be careful of that. You can stay, look, if that, and she said the electricity on top is very expensive. So, if you take that in consideration, You can stay in Jom Tien, quieter, nicer rooms. That one for 600 baht I did the other day, and then including electric and everything. You can't beat that. It's hard to beat that one for that quality in a quiet neighborhood right by the beach. So. Well, it's a beautiful sunny day today, guys. The weather is perfect. The skies are blue, and there's still nobody on the beach in Pattaya. I thought I'd just check. I was down here. Look at that. Look at that view. We've seen it before, but with the sun out now, it's nice. Yep, nobody on the beach. Unbelievable. But beach is empty. Sad. Feel sorry. Thailand needs more people. All these people keep doing negative reviews online and stuff. Don't listen to that crap, guys. Don't listen to it. Come and experience it yourself. There's plenty to do. Don't get caught in the trap. The coconut trees. Well, hey guys, that was a day. I walked around a lot. Didn't have too much luck finding the cheaper ones in Pattaya. To be honest with you, I wouldn't go that cheap. But I would advise definitely book, but look before you book. So a lot of them fake pictures online. Get a nice hotel for a day or two and then look around and go look at the apartments before you actually book it for a month. Or for you, just for your stay until you find a condo. But yeah, definitely have a look first. Beautiful. I'm on Pattaya beach, sunset. Look how beautiful it is. But yeah, I had a good day still, guys, even though it's a bit, only got a couple I could show you, but I had a good day. So look, good luck to you guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Go live your day.